Hi friends. Today let's talk about a topic that's really important for all of us, but one we often overlook, and that's mental health. We all make sure to look after our physical health, like going to the gym, eating healthy food. But when it comes to the health of our mind and heart, we often ignore it. Mental health is a kind of fitness too, and it's just as important to maintain it as it is to care for our body. Friends, if you ever feel sad, anxious, or stressed, that's completely normal. Everyone goes through these feelings at some point. But it's at this time that we need to understand our mental health and seek support. Share your feelings with close ones. Sometimes, just talking about it can really lift a weight off our heart. If work or studies are causing stress, take a short break and spend some time doing something you enjoy. If a problem feels too serious, talking to a mental health professional or counselor is absolutely okay. It's a strong step to take for yourself. Spreading awareness about mental health is a responsibility we all share. Talk openly about it with your friends and family, and be a support for each other. We all have the right to be happy and healthy, and mental health is part of that. So take care of yourself and your friends. Stay happy, stay healthy. Take care of your mind. Take care of your mind, just like you take care of your body. Take care of yourself and your dear friends and elders. Wherever you are, may you always be happy, and may no sorrow ever come in your life. Ameen. In prayer, Malik Anwar Zia.